Welcome to CodePro channel. In this video, I will show you 5 things you need to know about delete operator in JavaScript. First of all, what the delete operator in JavaScript? In JavaScript, the delete operator is employed to delete a property of an object. After deleting the actual property, that property won't be accessible and returns it undefined. So let me show you 5 examples where we can use the delete operator and what are the disadvantages and advantages of using it. Let's scrutinize some facts about the delete operator. In this video, I will discuss these 5 topics about the delete operator. The first one is, can we delete the object properties in JavaScript? And the second one is, can we delete the variables in JavaScript whatever you have declared with let var constant? And can we delete the values from an array? And can we delete the built-in objects like window, math and date objects? And also, can we delete the non-configurable properties of an object? The first one is, can we delete the object properties in JavaScript? Let me declare an object here. Here, I just want to remove the last name property from the details object. In JavaScript, the only way to fully remove the properties from an object is by using delete operator. Here, I just want to console it as delete. Delete is a keyword which is accessible globally, and whatever the property you want to delete from details object dot, I just want to remove the last name property from that object. Invocation of delete operator will return true when it removes the property and false otherwise. It's only effective on object properties only. I just want to see this, what happening in here. It has removed this property now. I just want to check what the details object now. Now object doesn't have the property of last name here. Okay, if the property which you are trying to delete that doesn't exist, delete won't have any effect, it returns true. For example, I just want to remove name property from the details object, but the details object doesn't have name property here. Delete details dot name. It doesn't have name, but I am deleting that property from that. Now you can see it returning true. It don't have any effect on that object. The second thing we need to know about the delete operator is, can we delete the variables in JavaScript? The variables that was declared with let var constant. Let me check that. The delete operator removes the property from an object, but it cannot delete a variable. Any property declared with var cannot be deleted from the global scope or function scope. Let me show that with an example here. Var a equal to 20. I just want to console it as a. In between of it, I just want to remove that property, delete a. Still the a variable was accessible because the delete operator doesn't have any effect on the variables that was declared with var let constant. So let me console it here. The delete operator returns false because it doesn't have any effect on var declarations. The delete operator can delete the global variables that was not declared with var let constant. For example, I am declared b equal to 30. I am trying to delete that. Console.log of delete b. After that line, I want to access that variable. Now you can see b is not defined here because it was deleted. Why it was deleted? Whenever you declared any variable without var let constant, it will be stored as a property in a window object. I will show you here console.log of window.b also it will work. So window is the default property, right? Window is the default object which was available in browser, right? That's why in the window, if you open it, A was declared here, and you can see the B is also declared somewhere in the window object. That's why I can able to delete the property from a window object. The third thing we need to know about the delete operator is, can we delete the values from an array in JavaScript? Since JavaScript arrays are object, elements can be deleted from JavaScript arrays with the delete operator. Let me show you an example where elements I just want to remove the first property from that array. Console.log of delete here elements of 0. I can delete any element here based on index. I can delete, but if you can show here, that was deleted, the one property that was deleted, but it's still showing that empty as here. So delete will delete the object property but will not reindex the array or update its length. This makes it appear as if it is undefined. Using delete may leave undefined holes in the array. If you want to delete the property from an array, you just need to use pop, shift or splice methods. That is a better approach. You can see here, if you open it, it was showing from index 1 only, but still it's showing length as 4 only because still the empty property was there. If I console it, if you just want to, if I convert that into the JSON.stringify, JSON.stringify, the undefined property will convert into the null. Now you can see the first property was null here because don't use the delete operator on JavaScript arrays. The fourth thing we need to know about the delete operator is, can we delete the built-in objects in JavaScript? So first of all, what are the built-in objects in JavaScript? The window, document and math and date objects, these are all built-in objects. So let me try to delete that built-in objects here. Here I will try with the math object, console.log of math. Math is the default object that was available in window. If I console it as, here you can see the so many methods which are available on math, you can access it now. If I try to delete that object, console.log of delete math. Now what it will happen? It can delete the property it was deleting, but math is not defined, because by using delete operator you can delete the math object from the window object, but deleting the built-in objects like math, date, window objects in JavaScript is unsafe completely and it can crash your entire application. So don't do that to delete any built-in objects in JavaScript. That can crash your entire application. The fifth and final thing we need to know about the delete operator is, can we delete the non-configurable properties from object in JavaScript? Let me try that. So what the non-configurable properties? For example, if I declare any object here, I'm just declaring the properties directly here. These are all our configurable properties. We can delete it, we can update it, anything, but just you can see the properties of it. Console.log of object dot get own property descriptor of what is the object you have, user, and what the property you just want to know is the name. If I see it in the console, you can see the value is Jayanth and configurable is true and enumerable is true and writable is true. So that means writable means you can update it, you can delete it, anything you can do. But enumerable means it doesn't affect in the loops, and configurable means if you set configurable as false, then the property cannot be deleted from it. So how we can do that? Non-configurable properties means, let me declare it. Let user equal to, I will not declare any property directly here. I just want to declare property from object dot define property object dot define property. Here what the object you want to declare, user object, and what the key you want to give, name, and now what the values you want to pass. Value is Jayanth, and you need to set that configurable is false. Then only the value cannot be deleted from JavaScript object. Let me see this. Console.log of user. You can see it was looking like same, but this property was configurable as false. So that means you cannot delete it. Let me try that by deleting. Console.log of delete user dot name. User. Now you can see it returning false because it was unable to delete that property because it was set as configurable as false. You still see the same object here, and also if you declare use strict at the top, it will return an error. In the strict mode, it will throw an error. You cannot delete that property. You can see cannot delete the property name of object. So that is the thing. These are the 5 things we need to know about the delete operator when you perform some operations on arrays or objects or any built-in objects in JavaScript. Delete is the only way to remove the properties from an object without any leftovers, but it works 100 times slower than if you are using delete operator in loops. That's all. I hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.